I'm stuck in this right now. Like, the zipper is stuck. Hello, and welcome back to another video. My name is Lainey, my pronouns are they, them, and tomorrow is my 23rd birthday! Yay! September 17th! So today we are going to be building an OP or a one piece together for the fall, and we're gonna try to, make it a little bit interesting. One pieces are a little bit harder to coordinate in comparison to JSKs, because with JSKs you can, swap out your blouses for a new look. With one pieces, you can't do that. This is especially true with OPs that are long sleeve, because you don't even have like room to wear wrist cuffs or bangles, maybe gloves, but you don't really have that wrist space either to tie in different colors. So long sleeve OPs are truly the hardest to coordinate, so we're gonna try to come up with an interesting fall cord together. I am starting off wearing just a cami and some shorts. This cami is by Oxfam, and I think if it is fall, it's always good to wear a cami or a tank top or something underneath so you get just that little extra layer. I would also recommend wearing, shorts, longer shorts, something to keep you nice and warm. Let's introduce the OP we will be working with today. So I decided to go with Deer in Forest by Cheese Coco. I love this OP. I think it is just truly a fall OP, and it is so cute, and I love it. So we're gonna just put this guy on really quick. Oh no, my zipper is stuck right now. Are you kidding me? I'm stuck in this right now. Like, the zipper is stuck.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So this is the dress that we'll be working with today, all on and ready to go. You can see how long it is. It goes over my knees to like the upper area of my shins, and because it is this long, we definitely need a longer petticoat to pair this with. Our regular, 45 centimeter petticoat isn't gonna work. It's way too long. And the reason we need a longer petticoat is because if you wear a shorter one, it's gonna kind of look like a lampshade. You're gonna have that nice poof at the top, but then it's gonna go boop straight down. So be sure, if you have longer dresses, always have a longer petticoat. Mine is by Aurora and Ariel. I own 2 petticoats by them. I absolutely love them. They are so floofy, so fluffy. I believe this is a 12 meter. I could be wrong. I do have a review for it though. And it is made from organza. And you can see it is way longer than like a normal petticoat. And now we have the petticoat on. There is a petticoat trick that you can do if you don't think like this is enough poof, since this is a heavier material. I feel like dresses with more weight are better for fall, especially those that are longer, because they're going to cover more of your legs. So if it is heavier and you aren't happy with the shape of it, you can actually take a shorter petticoat underneath your long petticoat. You don't want it on top of your long one, you want it under it. So that way it better keeps its shape and you don't get that boop, lampshade kind of effect. We are, however, going to tie our waist ties, because these are not detachable, they're sewn in. So we have our waist ties tied, we have our petticoat on. We're going to build this into a very simple cord first, and then we're just going to kind of add to it. So I think next up we should put on our leg wear, since we don't need to worry about wrist wear unless you want to wear gloves. I'm not going to, I don't have any that would match. So we're going to move on to leg wear. Since this is a cord for fall weather, I would highly recommend wearing some fleece tights, or at least some like tights in general, to keep your legs a little bit warmer. Am I going to be wearing any? No, because I am filming this in July and it is very hot. So for the sake of this video, pretend that I am wearing some like flesh toned tights right now. So today I'm going to be pairing my tights, in quotation marks, with these mushroom socks that I own. They're made out of a mesh. They have kind of like lace on top. They're supposed to be OTKs, but they like barely reach my knees, which is kind of funny. I got these from Ue Serrana. I don't know if I pronounced that right. They are, for the reference, a NSFW site, but I just thought these were so cute. So if you do look for these, just be alarmed in advance, or just make sure you know in advance what type of stuff that they sell. Yeah, I don't really care. I think they're adorable. So I'm gonna wear them anyways and everyone can fight me. So this is what the socks look like on. I know it is a little bit of a flash forward of what shoes I'm gonna pair this with, but I just think that they look so cute. I love them. I love this mushroom print. So this is what the socks and shoes look like together. I think, oh my god, I love them. It's such a cute look. I hope you guys like them too, because I am obsessed with this. Okay, we have our mushroom socks on, so the next thing we're going to do is pick out a headpiece. I already have in mind which headpiece I want to wear, which is a beret. The reason I'm going with a beret over, you know, like a rectangle headpiece or a Casey or something along those lines is because it is fall weather and we want to keep our heads nice and cold. Anytime it is remotely cold outside, I need to have my ears covered. So I always do earmuffs or I do like a beret. So we're gonna do a beret today. Okay, so here is my beret. I also brought over my earmuffs just so you guys can see what this looks like on because I love these. Like, I think these are so cute on, but I am going to go and opt for a beret today because I love my berets and it's not a cord by me unless there is a beret involved. This is what the beret looks like. Next up, we are going to pair this with shoes. To be honest, if I was wearing this to a meet during the fall, I would pair it with my brown Ugg boots, which I have done before because I am someone who prefers comfort over style, and I genuinely do not care if I wear Ugg boots or if other people wear Ugg boots or boots that are comfortable for them. For the sake of this video though, and the fact that I'm gonna be inside and I'm like not traveling anywhere, we're gonna pair it with some really cute shoes today. And those shoes are the ones my cat is sitting on right now. Shasha, bud, can I? Okay. I feel so, oh, he's playing with the string now. Buddy. So those shoes are these rocking horse shoes in brown. And it is like the same brown in some of the leaves and very close to the ones on the deers. Not exactly the same, but I just think that they would look really cute together. And these are rocking horse shoes from Bodyline. You can watch my Taobao haul where I unbox these two, and these are in a size 42. So let's get those on our feet. Okay, sorry for the terrible shot. These are what the shoes look like. I'm not gonna lace them up all the way because they literally just don't stay. So these rocking horse shoes are just gonna look like this for today, which honestly I like better because you can see the mushroom prints then. So this as it is with the beret, OP, legwear, and shoes is a cord by itself, but now we're gonna build it up just a little bit and make it interesting. The first thing I want to do is add an apron to this, and I have it in between two aprons right now. You can also comment and let me know if I should have gone with one apron over the other one. I have this sheer one. It is from a company that sadly I cannot pronounce the name of, but I did unbox this in my Taobao haul if you want to see that. And that would kind of look, it looked like this. How does this looks super cute, but it does cover like a lot of the print. Okay, so this looks adorable. This looks mega cute. And my other option is the one on this dress form right here, which is by Alice Girl, and it matches the Berry Rabbit set. I'm sorry, my friend. So that is what this one would look like, which I think I might like better because you can see more of the print. I think this one just might be too long. Like, I know it's sheer and you can kind of see the print through it, but I don't think it's like sheer enough to see it, you know? Let me know if you agree with this. I don't know. Maybe I'll record it with that one. Also, just don't mind the fact that I literally keep tags on everything because I know this drives my friends literally insane because they'll be like, you've owned this for a year. Why do you have tags on it? And it's like, they make me happy. I literally don't know why I have them on it either. I just like them. Okay, they make me happy. Okay, what do we think of this? Is it, because it cuts the head off the deer, but like, at least you can see the print more. And I know it's like bunny strawberries, but I feel like the color palette is the same. We're gonna do this. We're just gonna do this, okay? Okay, the next thing that I want to add to this cord is something to go over my shoulders. I was kind of playing with the idea of using this, but they're just two different shades of red. This is just like a brighter red, although the brown in it is spot on. So I thought about this. I'm like, maybe it's too much red. I could do, you know, just the cloak, just the capelet, them together, but again, I just feel like it's too much red. So instead we're going to use a different capelet. And the one I was thinking about using is this one by Mono Girl Lolita. It is their deer capelet, and it is literally so cute. It has a deer hood with little antlers and little ears on it. So let me know, is this also a good decision, or would you have gone with the red if you were me? But I think we just need to break it up a little and add in some brown. This guy is also so warm too. He is great for cold weather because it's lined in like this really soft kind of like minky fabric, and the outside is fur. And I feel like if you just want to kind of make a cord wintry, just add a capelet to it. I love capelets. They are the perfect length for Lolita, and I feel like they just make any cord look like way more advanced and way fancier. And this is what it looks like. So we are almost done. We just have a couple more things to do, and let's go do that. Okay, I look a little horrifying up close with this makeup. It's fine. So the next thing I'm going to do is add in some earrings. Keeping up with the mushroom theme, I'm gonna wear these mushroom earrings. I got them off of AliExpress. Everyone always asks me where they're from. They're from AliExpress. They were like $1. I try not to buy from AliExpress anymore though, because I want to try to shop more small businesses. Except for Lollygals. Lollygals will be my exception all the time, and Honey Cherry. So let's just get these mushroom earrings in because I love my mushrooms, and we gotta keep up the mushroom deer theme of this, minus the apron, which does not fit the theme. Yeah, these are a little more red, but they're mushrooms. They're on theme. I also have deer earrings too that I technically could wear with them, but these are just bigger, and I love my big earrings that you can see from a spaceship. And the last thing that I am going to do to this cord is pair it with a bag. So I have a few different like kind of baskety bags, because that's the vibe I'm going for, is like I am going through the woods right now like foraging for mushrooms. That's my vibe. That's the vibe I want, is I am petting the deer, I am looking for mushrooms, I am enjoying my time out in the wilderness in the forest. And for that I was like, I need like a wicker bag, and I have a few. One is over the shoulder, so that was immediately out. One is like a very light colored kind of wickery wood, and I was like, okay, this is too light, which means that I am left with my little picnic basket, and it opens too, don't you worry. I thrifted this guy for like $3, and I wear him way too much with my cords, but I just love him, and I love the green on it too, because the green is just such a nice contrast to the red. And he is a little bit beaten up, I know, but I love him. I really want to decorate him and put some ribbons on him, and I will eventually. But yeah, let's take a look at the full cord that you guys helped me build today. This is how my cord came out. I think this is going to be perfect for fall. I might swap out these shoes with, you know, some Ugg boots, because that's the type of guy I am. But overall, I'm so happy with it. It looks so cute. It came out way cuter than I thought it would when I was like building this in my head. So thank you so much for joining me today for this adventure. I hope you had a good time. I just want to mention too that if you are new for Lolita, or if you are old to Lolita and you are looking for a new place to buy, I do have a discount code for 42 Lolita, who is the reseller of 42 Agent. They have awesome prices. Their customer service is just so kind and wonderful. So go do yourself a favor and order from them and get yourself 3% off using the discount code I forgot reality _ in between all of those words. And yeah, that's it. This has been your favorite non-binary Lolita, and I hope you have a great Friday and a great Saturday tomorrow, because that's my birthday. Okay, that's all. Bye.